Yeah. Dear broken me, I know you don't wanna talk tonight, but I've been carrying your silence for way too long. Dear broken me, I know you hide behind a smile, tell everybody you're okay, just to survive another mile. You learn to keep your tears somewhere nobody sees, built a wall around your heart and called it peace. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You gave your trust away, they gave you reasons to regret. Now every time somebody gets close, you start to disconnect. You blame yourself for every person that walked away, like somehow you were never worth enough to make them stay. I know you replay conversations when you're alone, thinking maybe one more word could have brought them home. But some people leave no matter what you say, and some wounds don't disappear just because you pray. You've been fighting battles nobody knows, laughing outside while you're breaking below. You keep saying I'm fine, but I know that's a lie. I seen the war you're hiding behind your eyes. Dear broken me, you don't have to bleed to prove you're alive. You don't have to lose yourself just to keep somebody by your side. I know you're tired, I know you're scared, I know you feel like nobody cares. But if the whole world walks away from you, I'll still be here. Dear broken me, remember all those nights you were talking to the ceiling, asking God why your heart was hurting with no healing. You wanted answers, but silence was all you got. So you started believing maybe you were better off not. You became your own enemy, living inside your head, turning every little mistake into something you should regret. You judge yourself harder than anybody ever could. Forget every little thing you did right, remember everything you shouldn't. But look at you, you're still here after everything you lost, still breathing after every bridge you watch get crossed. Maybe strength doesn't always look like standing tall, maybe sometimes strength is simply not giving up at all. You've been fighting battles nobody knows, laughing outside while you're breaking below. You keep saying I'm fine, but I know that's a lie. I seen the wall you're hiding behind your eyes. Dear broken me, you don't have to bleed to prove you're alive. You don't have to lose yourself just to keep somebody by your side. I know you're tired, I know you're scared, I know you feel like nobody cares. But if the whole world walks away from you, I'll still be here. Yeah. Dear broken me, maybe you're not broken, maybe you're just bruised. Maybe all the pain you carry isn't something you should lose. You survived the nights you thought would never end. You lost some people, but you found yourself again. So don't hate the person you became just to survive. He was doing everything he could to keep you alive. Dear broken me, I know you've been afraid to start again, but you don't have to carry every scar like it's your sin. Let the past stay in the past, let tomorrow come when it comes. You spent your whole life running, now it's time to become the person you were before the world told you who to be. Dear broken me, you're not finished, you're still here, and maybe that's enough. Dear broken me, I'm not ashamed of you anymore. I survived you, I became you, and now I'm learning how to love